Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn Python from the very beginning, and we will first download the Python and PyCharm. Then we will create a first project by uploading the file on Python PyCharm, and finally solve some questions, beginner level questions to help you understand how we can use Python very smartly. Okay. So first, let's download the Python PyCharm. In the class, also I have told you to download Python from python.org, the latest version of Python. So we'll first install the manager. I'm just doing the steps. We will skip this because I've already downloaded. So first, we will download the Python installer. Once it is done, then we'll go to jetbrains.com slash PyCharm, and you guys will install the community version of PyCharm. Okay. So for the to save on the time, I have already done this. I'll just open the PyCharm file. Yeah. So this is the interface of PyCharm. It is opening. So this is an integrated development environment. This is a virtual environment on Python. It gives us a proper place to write and manage our Python codes. Okay, so this is the interface of Python. I just go to File and open a new project. New project. Okay, we'll name this project Data Analysis Project. Okay, this is the data analysis project. A new environment will be created. Just create. So this is a new interface, new file for our data analysis project. Just click on the plus button and open the Python file. Here, write the name data analysis and press enter. So this in the below tab configuration and interpreter, everything is installing. The system will install everything automatically. Currently, there's no interpreter here, so you have to see the bottom line of this screen where every update is given. So there's no interpreter, currently configuring a Python interpreter. So we will just wait for the file. So everything will be updated automatically once you open the files. Meanwhile, things are updating. Let's check if our um, answer. Just write a simple command, print, and in inverted commas, hello Pakistan. Whatever we like to print, we'll just write in the columns. And then run the program. See the output here. This is the input interface, and this is the outer output interface. So we printed hello Pakistan. Yes, another input of is your name, question mark, space, yes, in inverted commas, space. After space, we have to also give inverted comma so that the user may input any information here. So, and this program. My name is Sandra. So once we ask name, let's print my name is, and then plus the name variable. Currently, we do not have name variable, so let's create name is equals to. Okay, let's try this one. What is your name? Sandra. My name is Sandra. Okay, that's good. Now let's just remove all this. Our like everything is configured now. Let's check interpreter. So we already have this interpreter connected to the file. Um, let's just add few Python libraries. So here we will require pandas, pandas install, and whatever the latest library we have, we will install that. So here in the below um, last line, it will show all the updates. Pandas, NumPy to create table arrays. So NumPy, NumPy 2.5, Seaborn, 0.93, Matplot library for the Explorer. So it will give us the folder where our project is located. We just have to our uh, copy this file and paste it in the data analysis project. Okay. And then we will open PyCharm. Our Excel file will appear here. Either you can drop the file on the screen. Let's do the check the other file. Okay. So this is employee demographics. So I'll just pick the file and drop here. Either we can copy the file like this, or You can open the virtual environment. Just copy this. Benefits, and then I will copy in the folder. Let's just refresh. We can click on the project, right click, open an explorer. So our virtual environment folder will open and we can copy Excel files here, or we can just